Hi friends, in this one I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the boot camp in the OnePlus 11R using the HDR and extreme settings. So right now I'm trying to use the HDR and extreme settings in this device, and I'm going to do the boot camp FPS drop test, and now we should be able to see how is the overall FPS is maintaining in this OnePlus 11R. So using with the HDR and extreme settings only, I'm trying to do this testing, and I'd like to show you exact settings what I'm trying to use as well. And overall the lowest value we did see about 57 fps while doing this drop test. 57, and this is the OnePlus 11R device. I'll do the one more drop test as well using the same HDR and XM settings. As you can see, overall it was able to maintain up to 60 fps stable. And this testing I'm trying to use with the pro gamer mode and using in the high performance mode. As you can see friends, right now the high performance mode is turned on while doing this smooth and XM settings as well. So most of the time I'll be able to use the high performance mode just to get the most of the performance out of this OnePlus 11R device. So that's the reason in every video I'm trying to use the high performance mode setting. So again I'll be back when the match gets started. So is another FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R. So right now you should be able to see the overall FPS drop, how it's going on. So using the HDR and extreme settings in this OnePlus 11R device. And right now the value is about the FPS is about 58 FPS, 57. So 57 is the lowest value I have seen regarding the FPS count. This is a quick demonstration friends using the smooth and XM settings on this OnePlus 11R regarding the PUBG mobile FPS drop test. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.